Hey everyone, Sean here. Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about Clickbank and a really cool way to learn from top Clickbank earners and make money like them. Alright, so what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to talk about how do you actually spy on Clickbank earners and how do you see how other people are making money on Clickbank. It's a really cool strategy and it gives you a lot of good information about ways to sell specific products on Clickbank, because this is something I've mentioned before, is that every Clickbank product has its own way of making sales, because each landing page is different. Some of them have video on them, some of them don't. So it's really different. What you do to make sell on each and every single Clickbank product is really different, and that's something we talk about a lot inside a Varsity Gold Masterclass. In case if you want to learn about it, I'll leave a link in the description. So let's talk about this. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take you to my computer to show you how do I do this, how do I learn from other sellers to make Clickbank sales. Alright, so if you're not a subscriber, by the way, make sure to subscribe. I make videos every 2-3 days. I'll talk about these cool stuff. So if you want to learn affiliate marketing the right way, this is the channel you want to be in. Alright, so make sure to subscribe and let's go to my computer to talk about this. Alright everyone, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to explain real quick how this strategy works, and then I'm going to kind of show you how to do the whole thing in action. So basically your job is to find advertisings related to these Clickbank products to see exactly how these people are selling Clickbank products actually. Alright, so for example, the first step is you gotta find a Clickbank product, and then we're gonna start looking for the Clickbank product on Bing and see if someone's selling it, and then we're gonna kind of go deep more and start looking for keywords to see if we can actually get some retargeting and see if they retarget us basically, and see what kind of pages they're using and everything. All right, so I'm gonna use Bing, and the reason I'm gonna use Bing is because most of the Clickbank marketers, they start, if they want to do paid advertising, especially CPC, they do it with Bing, because Bing doesn't have the limits that Google advertising has. So that's why it's a good place to start, and also it works. Otherwise, people wouldn't use Bing really. So that's why it's just the place to start. All right, so let's get started. Let's go over. For example, I'm gonna do some health products. So let's do weight loss. Let's go, there you go. So weight loss. So for example, there you go. So this is a product that I used to promote a little bit, not anymore, but it's a product I used to promote. I promoted a little bit, not as much as I used to before really. So 2-week diet. So let's go ahead and search 2-week diet. So if you take a look, you're gonna see all these ads. Now what you want to do right now is you want to go ahead and click on these ads to see what kind of pages you visit, like where do they send you, and then how do they make the sell. So let's click on this first one. So first one, they're sending you to a blog, basically a blog post. Okay, so it's a simple blog post, right? And then when you click on it, it takes you to the sales page. I'm assuming, yeah, there you go. Yeah, so that's the sales page. So that's the first thing. Now, something else you gotta notice is that this is just a direct ad. Now, what I mean by that is that because you search for 2-week diet, because that was the keyword, they show you the ad for the 2-week diet. Because when someone's searching for a product name, they already know a little bit about it. Right? They already know a little bit about it, so you really don't need to try to convince them to buy the product. So what you need to do is you need to do that final push basically. So that's what this ad is doing, and it's doing a really good job actually. So the product, the post title basically is the 2-week diet updated for 2018, and there's a quick review. So that's the link. Yeah, so there's a quick review, and then tells you a little bit about the product. Again, if someone's searching the product by the name, they already know about it. So there you go. You just click and it takes you to that page. So yeah, that's that. So lose weight. Now I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna keep this, right? So this is one thing to learn. I'm gonna keep this. So lose weight. So I want to see The next thing I want to find is basically see how other people are doing it without targeting the product name. Basically, like if someone searches for the for weight loss, to lose weight, how do they actually deal with these things? That's the local ad. All right, let's see this. So there you go. That's another interesting kind of advertising. I've talked about this in my previous videos. This is, this type of ad goes better if you want to do CPA products. But yeah, take a look. So this is, it feels like an article on a news website, although it is not. So the logo is different, and then the domain is something else. So yeah, so they have this, thing, and they have this article, and the cool thing is that it says Wednesday, July 25th. That's the time, that's the day I'm recording this video, and these are actually not this doesn't mean they just published this article. This means that they have the script here that takes the day you're in and kind of shows it right there, so it feels like the article was just published today. So that's kind of a trick in there. So yeah, so they're promoting it. They're talking about this product, how these celebrities are using these products, or whatever, and then you click on it, takes you to the product sales page. Now this is not a Clickbank product, I'm assuming. Yeah, this is not a Clickbank product, but you get the idea. All right, let's look more. Again, guys, this is basically how I do it. You just gotta search, you gotta look for these products, see what other people are doing, and just learn from them. So what would I do right now is I copy these ads, okay, because they're ranking, so it means that these are good ads. So they're ranking, so I copy these ads and start kind of taking notes on these pages. So these are the best places to learn. Again, the same, that's weird. So same exact ad, take a look. Yeah, same exact ad, just on a different domain. So it seems like someone's copying from someone else here. That's weird. I'm assuming this one's the same. No, okay, this one is sending directly to the sales page. So I'm assuming this is a iframe. Let's see. Doesn't look like an iframe, but yeah. So again, when you click on it, it sends you directly to the sales page. I mean the order form. So they're just showing the sales page directly here. I don't think this is an iframe. They just copied everything on the sales page of the 2-week diet to a page, and they're selling it. Now this actually works. Let me tell you why. Because this is a really targeted keyword, right? 2-week diet. So I'm searching the product by the name. So that's one way of doing it, sending people directly to the sales page if they're actually searching for the product name. Okay, that's really important. You don't want to send like people who are searching for weight loss to the product page, right? If someone's searching the product by the name, that means that they want the product. So again, guys, this is where you kind of learn a lot about the ways to promote products. And let me search another Clickbank product. I've done a little bit of research on this, so take a look. For example, let's close these. I've opened this one already, but let's see, review. So again, I'm focusing on ads mostly, nothing else, because the rest is just organic and I really don't care. Alright, so let's take a look at this one. So this one's a review. They're giving you a bonus. So yeah, really quick review. And sends you to the sales page, I'm assuming. Yeah, there you go. So that's another way, if you want to promote this product, you could write a really nice review and do advertising on Bing and send people who are, again, specifically searching for this product name to your review and make it sell. And they got a bunch of links. Like they just have links all over this thing. I usually don't like this, don't like doing this. Too many links, it's kind of annoying, but hey, If it works, it works. So yeah, that's another way. See guys, again, you want to learn from these people. You want to learn what other people are doing, so you could actually do the same thing for yourself. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment if you have any questions, or leave a comment, just let me know what you think about this video, and let me know what you think about this strategy. So to close this video, I want to talk about something really important. I kind of dropped some hints about this at the beginning of the video, but the thing is, if you want to really become successful selling Clickbank products and selling any affiliate product really, the thing is, you have to understand the product first, and you need to see what strategy works based on the product. Because a lot of people think that there's one formula or one way to sell products online as an affiliate, or your own products, doesn't matter. A lot of people think that there's just one way to make sales, but in reality, each product has its own different way of selling. Because sometimes it's just different. The landing page is different. You know, the content of the landing page is different. So it's really important to understand the product first, and then choose the right strategy based on what you have on the sales page, what you have in the product. So that's something we talk about a lot inside Adversity, and you know, we share different strategies and how to actually implement them. And the thing is, in Adversity, you're gonna see everything in detail. So you're gonna see me actually doing these campaigns right in front of you. So it's not just me telling you what to do, but you're gonna see it live in action. So it's really powerful. If you want to learn affiliate marketing, and if you really want to learn it the right way, step by step, click by click, that's one place that you have to be. All right, so I'm gonna leave a link in the description. Check it out for yourself. Let me know what you think about it. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.